you're probably making winter gardening way harder than it needs to be. Stop struggling today. I'm revealing the easiest way to have a thriving garden this winter in Zone 8. Trust me, by the end of this video, you'll wonder why you ever thought winter gardening was difficult. Winter doesn't have to mean a dead garden. In fact, if you're in Zone 8, you're sitting on a goldmine of gardening opportunities. With mild winters, you can grow fresh, delicious produce and keep your garden thriving even when it's chilly outside. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced gardener, I'm going to walk you through exactly what to plant, how to protect your crops, and a few tricks that will make winter gardening easier than you ever thought possible. Let's get started! Winter gardening can feel overwhelming, can it? The colder weather, shorter days, and slower plant growth make it seem like everything is stacked against you. Many gardeners just throw in the towel for the season or waste time on plants that don't stand a chance. But here's the real problem. Most of us don't know what crops thrive in Zone 8 winters or how to give them the simple care they need to flourish. That's what we're going to fix today. Once you know the right crops to plant, the best time to plant them, and a few key techniques to keep them growing strong, winter gardening becomes a breeze. So let's break it down. 1. The perfect winter crops for Zone 8. First things first, what should you plant? The good news is that Zone 8 winters are mild enough to support a wide variety of crops. Here's a list of winners. Leafy greens, kale, spinach, Swiss chard, and arugula are all stars in cold weather. They grow quickly and actually taste better after a light frost. Root vegetables, carrots, beets, radishes, and turnips thrive in cooler temperatures and are easy to grow in loose, well-draining soil. Alliums, garlic, and onions are perfect for planting in the fall. They'll quietly develop their roots over winter and be ready to explode with growth in early spring. Cabbage family, broccoli, cauliflower, and Brussels sprouts love the cool weather too. Just make sure to give them enough space to grow. When choosing your seeds, look for cold hardy varieties. For example, Lacinato, Kyle, and Bloomsdale long-standing spinach are bred to withstand chillier conditions. 2. Timing is everything. Now let's talk about when to plant. Timing is everything in winter gardening. For leafy greens and root vegetables, plant in late fall, ideally 6-8 weeks before your first expected frost. This gives them time to establish before the weather gets too cold. Garlic and onions should be planted even earlier, about 2-4 weeks before the first hard freeze. They'll take advantage of the cool soil to establish strong roots and be ready for an early start in spring. If you've missed these windows, don't worry. You can still plant many crops in containers or raised beds and move them to a protected spot when it gets too cold. 3. Soil prep made simple. Healthy soil is the foundation of a thriving garden, even in winter. Start by adding a layer of compost or well-rotted manure to enrich your soil. This gives your plants the nutrients they need to survive the season. Another tip: consider planting a cover crop like clover or winter rye in areas you're not actively growing. Cover crops protect the soil from erosion and add organic matter when you chop and drop them in spring. And don't forget to mulch. A thick layer of straw, wood chips, or shredded leaves helps regulate soil temperature and retains moisture. It's like a cozy blanket for your garden beds. 4. Frost protection hacks. Even in Zone 8, sudden frosts can damage your plants if you're not prepared. Here's how to protect your crops. Use row covers or low tunnels to create a mini greenhouse effect. These trap heat and protect your plants from frost. For smaller plants, old bed sheets or even an inverted bucket can provide frost protection in a pinch. Mulch isn't just for soil. It can also be piled around the base of your plants to keep their roots warm. Investing in frost cloths or a simple hoop house can make a huge difference, especially if you're growing tender crops like lettuce or spinach. 5. Watering wisely. Here's where many gardeners go wrong in winter: overwatering. Since the soil doesn't dry out as fast in cooler weather, it's easy to drown your plants. Water deeply but less frequently, and always check the moisture level first by sticking your finger into the soil. Also, Try to water in the morning. This gives your plants time to absorb moisture before temperatures drop at night, reducing the risk of freezing damage. 6. Pest management tips. Believe it or not, pests don't take the winter off. Aphids, slugs, and even rodents can become a problem. Use neem oil to manage aphids and sprinkle crushed eggshells or coffee grounds around your plants to deter slugs. For larger pests, simple barriers like chicken wire or hardware cloth can keep them at bay. Keep an eye out for any signs of damage and act quickly. It's much easier to stop a pest problem early. Now here's the ultimate trick that will take your winter gardening to the next level: succession planting. In Zone 8, you can plant in waves throughout the season. For example, after harvesting your first batch of spinach or radishes, replant immediately with a fresh round of seeds. This keeps your garden producing non-stop, even in the dead of winter. Imagine harvesting fresh greens in January or pulling sweet, crunchy carrots in February. It's not just possible, it's easy when you plan ahead. Winter gardening in Zone 8 doesn't have to be complicated or stressful. By sticking to cold, hardy crops, planting at the right time, preparing your soil, protecting against frost, watering wisely, and staying on top of pests, you can keep your garden thriving all season long. And with succession planting, you'll enjoy a continuous harvest, even when it's cold outside. Want more tips to make gardening easier? Hit subscribe or check out the next video for spring prep tips.